clean that up. So, how are we all doing, guys? Today, I wanted to talk about a photographer's work. His name's Daniel Stier, or I think it's pronounced Daniel Stier. I've been meaning to do some more still life work, simply because, you know, we're stuck inside. I just really like the way he does still life photography. I really like his style. It's sort of like aggressive. It reminds me a lot of what do you call it, of like pop art from like the 60s, and it reminds me of Andy Warhol. Super bright colors, super saturated colors, really harsh shadows, really, like, you can tell that it was shot with like a direct bare bulb kind of flash. At first you think to yourself, like, what the hell am I looking at? And then you kind of realize that it actually looks kind of cool, especially his still lifes where he just crams like a bunch of what seems to look like just a bunch of garbage, really. You know, I think that kind of stuff would be perfect to do right now. But you can see, even though it just looks like a bunch of garbage, it's very well thought out. I mean, he might have not thought out, but it looks deliberate. It looks like there's thought into it, and the colors, like, each thing adds a different color, a different texture. And I usually do portraits, but I thought, hey, why don't we try something completely different today? So let's get into it. Okay, so the film I'm going to use for this is Ektar 100, because if you look at those photos, the colors are really saturated, they're really punchy, and, you know, Ektar is quite saturated. The reds are really deep, really quite. So today I'm going to be using two lenses. I'm using the 80mm 2.8 to start off with, and then I'm also going to use my other 150 f3.5, which is about a 90mm full frame equivalent, just for variety, just see what we can get. What have we got? I've got a pink notebook, this pink wig, this pink skateboard, pink hat, and I've got a yellow hat. Purple can of kombucha. Yep, I drink kombucha. Exercise resistance band. Two boxes, one cream, bright yellow box, another big yellow tote bag. I really should have thought of a better way of showing all these. Is this red vacuum cleaner, or if you're from the UK, you'll know this as Henry the Hoover. My red hard drive, my high-vis cycling jacket, a stack of board games for more levels, and an additional color. Why did I pick all these random items? Well, because it sort of fits in. It's similar to what Daniel Stier did, and they're all just colorful things. So I just went around the house trying to find the most colorful things that caught my eye. And now the challenge will be to try to create something aesthetically pleasing in terms of composition. I'm just trying to see, because if you see in his photo, it's a very flat sort of lighting setup. There are no shadows. So I'm just trying to figure out what would be the best way. So I've only got one flash, to be honest. Basically what I'm going to do is I'm just going to mainly focus on here, on this area, because here the shadows aren't, I'm not casting too harsh shadow on anything. So Three, two, one. That's the roll, that's the video. Yeah, it's complete utter mess, utter chaos. I don't even know what they look like. I don't have high hopes, so I'm being completely honest. It was just a complete experiment, something fun. Even though Daniel's picture is just a picture of like just utter random tat, it still looked quite aesthetically pleasing, and I think that comes from having a very flat lighting system, a very flat lighting setup, which obviously required either one massive lighting source or multiple lights to fill in the shadows, and that's something I just didn't have. I didn't have anyone to help me out. Follow me on Instagram at Zain Shoots Film. Check out my portfolio at zainreader.com. If you don't know how we do things around here, I upload to the channel twice a week. That's right, twice a week. And of course, don't forget to subscribe. We're going for 10,000 subscribers this year. That's right. We've got a lot of new subscribers. To all the new subscribers, hello, guten Tag. How are you all today? Yeah. With all that said and done, guys, keep learning, keep shooting. I'll see you all in the next one. Peace.